Hi friends, let us see some gate questions that were appeared in your previous examinations. Okay, now see the first one. Given the sequence of terms AD, CG, FK, JP, the next time is, it seems. See here, what is the thing here? A, B, C, D. There are two letters between AD, and again observe here C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and there are three letters between C and G, and after G, and again next it is F, F and K, F, E, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K. There are four letters between F and K. Now there must be five letters between J and P, and the next sequence there must be six letters between them. The only option that satisfies, see here, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Six letters between them. A option only satisfies the given sequence. The next term is OV. It's not next time, it is term. Next, which one of the following options is the closest meaning to the word given below? Nadir. See here, nadir means lowest point, right? And the extreme. Zenith means highest point, Now what is the closest meaning? Everybody can answer this. Lowest. Complete the sentence. Universalism is to particularism. See here, exact opposite of universalism is particularism. As diffuseness is to specificity. Diffuseness means segregating, separating things, widespreading, right? Specificity means in particular. Now specificity is the answer for this, right? See, the questions are very easy. These are previous gate questions. Extreme focus on syllabus and studying for test has become such a dominant concern of Indian students that they close their minds to anything dash to the requirements of the examination. Extreme focus on syllabus and studying for test has become such a dominant concern of Indian students that they close their minds to anything extraneous to the requirements exam. Extraneous means out of board, right? See here, the remaining means related, means it is pure opposite meaning, right? Next one, outside. Outside is the generalized term that cannot be used, and the last option, useful. It seems useful means is a positive thing, but question is in negative form, right? Negative form, right? Extraneous is the correct one. Out of board or unrelated or irrelevant. So they are focusing only on the subject, not on the generalized things. Now select the pair that best expresses a relationship similar. Children. The one who treats children is pediatrician. Now the options, see here options. Females. The one who treats females is gynecologist, right? Person and person. See here, tissue is given there, right? Next, the man who is now municipal commissioner worked as, best fit of this, worked as a security guard. A security guard at the university is the correct one, right? See here, A, it's not the many security guards may there, so A, but a particular noun, da must be used in front of university. A security guard at the university is the correct one. Night. Nobody knows how the Indian cricket team is going to cope up with the difficult and seamer friendly wickets in Australia. Choose the option which is closest to the meaning in underlined phrase in the above sentence. Right. See here. they have missed to underline this. Cope with is the underlined one. Cope with means they have to be acclimatized. What is the best meaning for acclimatization? Put up with is the correct word, right? Next, which of the following options is the closest in meaning word given below? Circuitous. See, this is a 2012 GATE question. Circuitous means a zigzag way, right? Not a straight way. Now what? Which is the closest meaning here? Indirect is the closest meaning. If you can depict the meaning correctly, then you can easily put on the word there. The question below consists of a pair of related words followed by 4 pairs of words. Select the pair that best expresses the relationship in the original pair. Unemployed, worker. See here, without a job he is unemployed. With job he is a worker. Now find out the similar relationship. Unaware sleeper, bluntly wrong. Renovated house, no. Renovation can be done to anything, not house. Wit gesture, these are irrelevant words. See here, fallow and fallow land. What do you mean by fallow? Fallow is nothing but undeveloped land, undeveloped place. When it is developed, then it becomes into place. See here, same relationship. Now A is correct. Next, choose the most appropriate word. If we manage to our natural resources, see here, easy thing, conserve. Conserve means saving, right? The remaining words are different ones, right? Choose the most appropriate word from the options given below to complete the following sentence. His rather casual remarks on politics dash his lack of seriousness about the subject. So his remarks on politics help to know that he has no awareness on the politics. So not having awareness, which word can be help to know the not awareness? See here, betrayed. Betrayed is the meaning. Reveal unintentionally that a person doesn't know anything. Betrayed is correct one. Betrayed, right? See, this is a previous GATE question. All those are previous GATE questions. Okay. Next, if you are typing to make a strong impression on your audience, you cannot do so by being understated, tentative, or which one is the next one? You cannot do so by being understated. Tentative means probabilistically, understated means cannot be saying in understandable manner, and restrained or restrained, right? Restrained means gentleman manner. What do you mean by restrained? Gentleman behavior. If you want to make a strong impression, then you have to make a strong thing, right? No, gentleman behavior is not required. Restrained is the capped word, right? I contemplated dash Singapore for my vacation, but decided against. I contemplated visiting Singapore, not to visit. Contemplating means present decision, so you have to decide now itself. It cannot be to visit, it must be visiting, as it is a present one. Next, few schools curricula include a unit on how to deal with bereavement and grief. Bereavement means deprived of death of a person or a friend, right? Deprived means feeling lonely or sad. And yet all students at some point in their life suffer from losses through death and parting. Based on the above passage, which topic would not be included in a unit on bereavement? Which topic cannot be included? How to write a letter or condolence. See here, the given thing is not at all related to the given passage, so eliminate it. What emotional stages are passed through in the healing process? See here, the passage says that you have to face these conditions or some other time. So you cannot say about the second one. What the leading causes of death are. So school curricula have to explain how to not go to deprivation and grief and due to death. This is the apt thing not be included. See here, not be included, right? These must not be included because these will help the students to know the causes of death, right? So this thing must not be included, right? These are the things that has to be explained, right? Choose the most appropriate alternative from the options given below to complete the following sentence. Despite several, the dash mission succeeded in its attempt to resolve the conflict. Despite, mission means a work. See here, despite attempts, no, meetings is not a correct word. Despite several setbacks means pushing back in order to be not done, right? Again, choose the correct alternative. Suresh's dog is the one dash was hurt in the stamp play. See, you cannot say dog a female and male, so which, whom and who are blunders, right? So the best option is that. Okay, now choose the grammatically incorrect sentence. It seems they gave us the money back less the service charges to 300 rupees is correct one. This country's expenditure is not less than that of Bangladesh. This is wrong one. See, it must be Bangladesh, right? Yes, exclamatory mark, yes. So this is wrong one. The remaining two are correct one. You can check this. Which one of the following options is the closest in meaning to the word given below? Mitigate. Mitigate means to reduce, to diminish, to make the things pacify. So here best option is diminish. Next, wanted temporary part-time persons for the post of field interviewer to conduct personal interviews to collect and collect economic data. And requirements: high school pass, must be available for day, evening and Saturday work, transportation paid, expenses reimbursed. Which one of the following is the best inference from the above advertisement? See here, gender discriminatory, have they said male or female here? So first option is removed. Xenophobic, see, they have said about the day, evening and Saturday work, so you are not expressed to be xenophobic, right? Next, not designed to make post attractive, they have not explained anything about the attractiveness, so you cannot infer from this. Not gender discriminatory, they haven't said only male and only female are required, so there is no gender discriminatory here. So the best one is D. Given the sequence of terms AD, CG, FK, JP. Oh, we have seen the same question. The answer is OV. We have seen in the first one, right? See here. Next one. Friendship, no matter how it is, has its limitation. How cordial? No. Cordial means once upon a time meeting. Secret means friendship is not a secret. Intimate means togetherness. Okay. Intimate, togetherness, however may they together, there are some limitations here. Next, the pair that best expresses a relationship in the pair: medicine, health. Medicines are required for health. Now same relationship, see here, education is for knowledge. Remaining things, see here, if wealth is there, there will be peace. No. Money, happiness, extremely wrong. Science, experiment, science are not meant for experiment, they are for daily uses also, right? Next, which of the following options is closest in the meaning to the word given below? Primeval is nothing but primitive means back again. Restrained, indifferent, hyperbolic are exactly opposite meanings to primitive. Now argumentative is the closest meaning to primitive, right? Going to odds. Next, find out the wrong one. the professor ordered to the student. It's not to. See here, it's going in present way. Why to? The professor ordered the student. That is the correct one, right? No need of to here. So second one is incorrect one. You have to change it as ordered. Right, next. The student is required to demonstrate a high level of comprehension of the subject, especially in the social sciences. The word closest meaning in comprehension means, what is the meaning of comprehension? Making easily understandable. Making easily understandable. Now everybody got the answer. Option first one. Next, the most appropriate word from the options given below to complete the following sentence. One of his biggest was his ability to forgive. See here, wise choices. No, biggest thing in his life means virtue. Virtue means a God given gift is the ability to forgive. Rajan was not happy that Sajan decided to do the project on his own. On observing his unhappiness, Sajan explained to Rajan that the preferred to work independently. Which one of these statements below is logically valid and can be inferred from the above sentences? What can be inferred? Rajan has decided to work only in a group. Have it is said in that, right? Rajan wants to only work in a group. That is not given. They wanted to be departed. Rajan and Sajan were formed into a group against their wishes. That is not also given in the statement. It cannot be inferred. Sajan had decided to give the Rajan's request to give into Rajan's request to work with him. Have it is given there. Only the part is they want to prefer work independently. Rajan have believed that Sajan and he would be working together. This can be inferred. See here, they believed means they have worked together, right? Upon believance only they have worked together. After some time they got some issues and they want to prefer work independently. So the D can be inferred purely from the given statement. Next, choose the most appropriate word from the options and given below to complete the following sentence. A person suffering from Alzheimer's disease, right, experiences. Has experience? No. See, a disease is a present thing. So if disease is there, now presently he must experience the thing. So certainly experiences is the correct word. Now, dash is the key to their happiness. They are satisfied with they have, right? What is the best thing? What is the best word to be there? Perseverance, ambition? No. Contentment. Contentment is nothing but a state of happiness. A state of happiness. A state of happiness, right? Contentment, a state of happiness. So the meaning itself explains the remaining thing, right? Which of the following options is closest in the meaning in the sentence below? As a woman, I have no country. Women have no country is a blunder that cannot be inferred. Women and not citizens of any country, this is also a blunder. Women's solidarity knows no national boundaries. This is a thing we can be inferred, right? Woman, I have no country, I have no boundaries, right? Right, D cannot be inferred. See, easy one. Find the odd one here. ALRVX. See here, there is a gap of 3 letters between A and E of first one, and also E and I there is a 3-letter gap. A B C D E F G H E F G H 3 I O. So find the odd one. See there, I and O there is only 2-letter gap. So OYEK is wrong one, right? Select the pair. The best experiences a relationship similar to that expressed in the pair. Children, pediatrics. So children pediatrics means female is related to gynecologist, right? Person, doctor. Female, doctor. If road is written as URDG, see here, what is road? You have seen similar questions, right? Similar questions previously. Road, this is a gate question 2013's. URDG. Now what is the gap between R and U? S, T, two letters. O and R, Q and R, one. Am I right? M, N, O, P, Q, R, two letters. Okay. A and D, B, C, two. D and G, two. So the similar thing. Swan must also have a category of two-letter difference which satisfies S after V, two letter after, W after Z, A after D, N after Q. So option is 2. Right. Next, extreme focus on syllabus and studying for test has become such a dominant concern of Indian students that they close their minds to anything extraneous to the requirements of the exams. Extraneous means irrelevant. Irrelevant. See there, the remaining things are exactly opposite to this meaning. So irrelevant is the correct one. Irrelevant. Observe the vocab what I am saying. These videos will be shortly helpful for your GATE examination. Right? The Tamil version of dash John Abraham. See here, you must not express him as Mr. John Abraham. Right? This is not concern about him, about his film. So we have to use the Tamil version of the John Abraham. Starter Madras Cave was cleared by the censor board with no cuts last week, but the film's distributors found no takers among the exhibitors for a release in Tamil Nadu on this Friday. See, this is a normal vocab, easily can understandable. So option C. Next, choose the statement where underlined word is used correctly. So here statements are not underlined. See here in the first one, insured is the underlined word. Second one, ensured. C1 is also ensured, and D1 is also ensured. Now which word is used correctly? The minister ensured the victim that everything would be alright. Now insurance means gave a written document, that is not correctly used. He ensured that company will not have. Ensured means giving a positive thing to the company fellow that he will make things right. So this is correct. B is correct. Remaining ones are wrong. The official answered that the complaints of the citizen would be looked into. See, easy pickings. Respectfully, right? Respectably is wrong. Respectively is also wrong. Reputably means exactly difference in a strong manner. Respectfully is correct. Which word is not a synonym for the word vernacular? Vernacular means largely known or widely spread language. Now which is not synonym? Say indigent means very rare, right? Very rare. This is exactly opposite of vernacular, right? So we have to use that word for antonym. Next one. If you would have completed the assignment, I would have granted you the leave. What is the wrong thing in this here? If you had is the correct one, would have is wrong, right? See, the assignment thing has to be done in past, then would have means it is in present thing. So if you had is correct one, right? In the past, if you had done this correct, I would have granted the leave is the correct one. Right, next, choose the most appropriate word from the options given below to complete the sentence. Those who hate sincerity are cynics. Cynics are cowardly behavior, who are narrow-minded, right? Narrow-minded. The remaining things are pessimists or widely open-minded fellows, right? Then which one of the following is the closest in meaning to the word given below? Affectation. Affectation means impressing a person or thing or some other, right? So the closest meaning will be pretension is also impressing, right? Similar meaning. Next one, choose the most appropriate word from the options given below to complete the sentence. Dash, they resumed their forward journey. Rising the sun, no, wrong one. Having rising the sun, no, sorry, sun will rise in every morning. Having rise is blunder. On rising the sun is also wrong. The sun have risen. The sun have risen. After seeing this, they started their journey. Right? This is the correct one. Having tied off, play, he sat down to rest. Having tied off is the wrong one. Being tied off, this is a condition of his body. Having tied off means he will be every time, every minute, every day tied, right? That is not the case here, right? Due to play, he is tied. So being tied is the correct one. Which one of the following assumption does the statement rely? A warning in a train compartment. This is the warning given in the train. To stop train, pull chain. So in order to stop the train, you have to pull the chain. Penalty for misuse is rupees 500. If you misuse that, you will be charged a penalty of 500. Now what is the assumption that we can do? Some people use the alarm chain casually. Yes, they use casually, so that's why they given a penalty for 500 rupees. On certain occasions, people may want to stop a running train. Yes, they want to stop a running train because something may happen, right? It is very prestigious to stop the train. Blunder. Every station chain has to be pulled. No, these are blunders. So A and B are correct. A and B are correct. Which of the assumptions are correct? On certain occasions means there might be some emergency, so they have to stop the train, right? Next, although they are rich, they always wear dash. Although they are not rich, although they are not rich, they always wear respected clothes. Is it irrespective? Wrong. Respectful clothes? No. Respectful means it's about your words, not about your clothes. Respected clothes. Respected means by seeing the clothes, we can give a certain advantage or a concern to the persons. Respected is the correct word. Which one of the following options is closest to the word given below? Erudite. Erudite means excellence. We have seen a coaching center, right? Erudite coaching center. That is nothing but academic. Right. Choose the word below the most opposite. Holistic means what? Holistic means systematic. Holistic means systematic. So exactly opposite to holistic means unsystematic is the correct one. Which is unsystematic here? Piecemeal is unsystematic. Piecemeal is nothing but unsystematic, right? This is the one which is unsystematic. Thank you. Hi friends, let us discuss some gate questions that appeared in your previous examinations. Okay, observe the first one. 1 by root 1 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus root 3 up to so on 1 by root 80 plus root 81. Now how will you simplify this? Rationalizing the denominator. Am I right? See here, 1 by root 1 plus root 2 is rationalized like this. Root 1 minus root 2 by root 1 minus root 2, that will lead you to root 1 minus root 2 by minus 1, a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, 1 by root 2 plus root 3, rationalize it, root 2 minus root 3 divided by root 2 minus root 3. Then what will you lead this? Same, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, root 2 minus root 3 is the left thing. Am I right? So up to so on. So until this it will go up to, see here, and the LCM will be minus 1, root 1 minus root 2 plus root 2 minus root 3. Next, so on it goes to root 80 minus root 81. Now see here, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, minus 3, and the next 3 gets cancelled, and up to so on, up to 80 will gets cancelled. Now the remaining thing will be root 1 minus root 81, and that will become root 81 minus root 1 by 1, as denominator minus 1 goes to numerator. So root 81 is 9, root 1 is 1, so 9 minus 1 is 8. So your answer is 8. Out of all 2-digit integers between 1 and 100, a 2-digit number has to be selected at random. What is the chance that the selected number is not divisible by 7? Now, the first best 2-digit number that is divisible by 7 is 14. Am I right? Next one is 21. Next one is 28. So there is a 7 gap between these numbers. Now find out the numbers that are divisible by 7, 2-digit numbers, when 100 is divided by 7, and what is the answer that we get? Answer that we get, see here, how many numbers will we get? 14, and from this you have to subtract 1, because you must need only 2-digit numbers. In that, 107 will be there, and you have to remove that minus 1. So this 13 numbers will be there between 1 to 100. 2-digit numbers will be there between 1 to 100 that are divisible by 7. Now how many what is the probability that selected number is not divisible by 7? Not divisible by 7 means, not divisible by 7 is, what is the probability then? How many 2-digit numbers are there? 92 2-digit numbers are there. In that, 13 numbers are divisible by 7, and you want to find out not divisible, then that is nothing but 1 minus favorable plus unfavorable chances is equal to 1. 1 minus 13 by 90 will lead you to 77 by 90. 77 by 90 is your answer. Next, z plus 1 by z whole square is equal to 98. Then compute z square plus 1 by z square. See here, this is in the format of a plus b whole square. Now z square plus 2 into z into 1 by z plus 1 by z square is nothing but how much? 98 square. Am I right? No, that is equal to 98. Okay, that is equal to 98. Okay, now z gets cancelled. Now what is the remaining thing? Z square plus 1 by z square. This 2 when go on to right hand side will become minus 2, then that will be equal to how much? 96. Now z square plus 1 by z square is 96. Next one, the value of root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12. Now let us consider the whole value as x, and now this part will also be x, right? Now this can be written as root 12 plus x is equal to x. Squaring on both sides, what happens? 12 plus x is equal to x square. Now see here, x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. What will be the root? See here, minus 4 into 3. So x minus 4 into x plus 3 will be the roots. Now positive root must be your answer. So 4 is your answer. Next, the ratio of male to female students in a college for 5 years is plotted in the following graph. If the number of female students doubled in 2009, by what percent did the number of male students increase in 2009 is the question asked. So this is a 2013 gate question. Now in 2008, what is the male and female ratio? Is it 2.5? Right? 2.5. So 2.5 can be written as like this: 500 by 200. That is nothing but 2.5. Now how many males are there? 500 are there. How many females are there? 200 are there. In 2009, now what is the ratio? Now M by F, how many females are there in 2009? Doubled it seems. So 200 must become 400. Now the ratio is nothing but 3. See here, if the denominator is 1 and the numerator is 3, automatically the numerator has to be 1200 in order to be 3:1. Now how many males are there? 1200 males are there. By what percent did the male increase in 2009? By what percent? See here, previously there were 500, now there are 1200. Now 1200 minus 500 by 500 will be your answer. 1200 minus 500 is nothing but 700. 700 by 500 is nothing but 14%. 14% is your answer. Next one. The pie chart below has the breakup of number of students from different departments in an engineering college for the year 2012. The part of male to female students in each department is 5:4. So male is to female in each department is 5:4 it seems. This is also previous gate question. There are 40 males in electrical engineering. There are 40 males in electrical engineering. What is the difference between the number of female students in civil department and female students in mechanical department is the question asked. So see here, there are 40 males in electrical department it seems. Okay, now how will you calculate this? There are 40 males in electrical department. Okay, now see here, if then the ratio must be 5:4. Then if it is 40, then certainly it has to be 32. 8 5s are 8 4s are. Okay, now see here, the pie chart below shows the breakup of number of students from different departments. Now see here, 72 students, totally there are 72 students in electrical department, is equal to 20%. Now 100% value is how much? 360, right? Am I right? 360. Now totally in a college there are 360 students. Now female in mechanical means nothing but 4/9 into 10% of 360 is to 4/9 into which department? Mechanical to civil to mechanical. So we have wrote it here mechanical, here civil, we'll write it as civil here. Civil is nothing but 30% of 360. Now 4/9 gets cancelled, 360 gets cancelled. Now mechanical to civil is 1:3. Now civil to mechanical ratio is nothing but 3:1 ratio. Okay, now 3:1 ratio it seems. Okay, now see here, 36 students are there in mechanical department and 36 students are there in total mechanical department and again females are 16. So see here, mechanical is 16 and it has to be 3 means 48, right? Now 48 is the 16 members are there. You have to find out what is the difference between female. 48 minus 16 is nothing but 32. 32 is the answer, right? Observe the calculations keenly. In a triangle PQR, PS is the angle bisector of angle QPR and angle QPS is equal to 60 degrees. What is the length of PS? It seems you have to find out the length of PS, and this is angle bisector. Okay, and see here, this is S, this is not it, this is 60 degrees it seems, and this is 60 degrees. Now we have a formula. If the length of the sides are known and their attached angle is also known, now what is the area of triangle? Half AB sine theta. Now from this, can you find out PS? Now find out area of triangle QPS and triangle PSR. Now what is this? See here, this is nothing but triangle QPS is equal to half R into PS into sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. Am I right? Now for this PSR, half into Q into PS into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Am I right? Right? Yes, we are right. Now find out the area of total triangle, triangle PQR. See, area of triangle PQR is nothing but addition of triangle QPS plus which triangle? QPS plus PSR. Triangle PSR. Now what is the whole area? Half into Q into R into sine 120 is nothing but root 3 by 2. That is equal to, see here, this is nothing but root 3 by 4 into Q into PS. This is nothing but root 3 by 4 into R into PS. Now root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4, here root 3 by 4 gets cancelled. Now after commoning PS, PS will come this side. Now QR divided by Q plus R will be the length of the PS, right? Next, in a 2 into 4 rectangle grid shown below, each cell is a rectangle. How many rectangles can be observed in the grid? How many rectangles? See here, how many horizontal lines can we observe here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are vertical grids. Sorry, 5 vertical grids. Horizontal 1, 2, 3, 3 horizontal. Now upon intersection of vertical and horizontal grids is a rectangle formation. Now see here, we need out of 5 vertical grids we need 2 for rectangle formation. Am I right? See here, this is the thing. And we need out of 3 horizontal, we need 2 horizontal grids for a rectangle formation. So 5C2 into 3C2 will be your answer. 5C2 is nothing but 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2. So 10 will be 5C2 value. 3C2 value will be 3. Now total answer will be 30. Next, Mahesh is employed in a company of a salary of rupees 6,000 per month. If he gets an increment of rupees 300 per year, what will be the total monthly salary after 30 years is the question asked. So his initial salary A is 6,000. So his increment means difference between the previous year salary and this year salary will be 300. Now see here, initial value, common difference is known. Can you find out by the final term after 30 years? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is nothing but 6,000 n is nothing but 30 minus 29. 30 minus 1 is 29 into 300. 29 into 300 will lead you to 8700. 8000, this value is 8700. So total value will be 14,700. After 30 years, Mahesh's salary will be 14,700. Next one. Find the number of factors that the number 2025 has, it seems. So how to find out the number of factors? First, convert them. If you want to, you have to make into form of A into P, B into Q, C into R, right? And A, B, C must be prime numbers. So 1 plus P into 1 plus Q into 1 plus R will lead you to know the number of factors, right? Now see here, 2025, how can you convert this? See here, 2025 is divided by 50. No, it is not divided by 50. 25, yes, it can be written into 81 into 25. Am I right? See here, 81 into 25 will lead you 2025, and 81 can be written as 9 square, and again 9 square can be written as 3 to the power of 4. You have to convert it into prime numbers, and this 25 can be written as 5 square. Now these are converted into prime numbers. Now P is 4, Q is 2. 1 plus P is 5 and 1 plus Q is 3. So how many factors are there? 15 factors are there. This is the way to find out the factors. Now arrange 12, 13, 7, 12 by 7, 13 by 9 and 7 by 5 in descending order. Then how will you arrange these fractions? First find out the LCM of 7, 9, 5. This is nothing but 3 square, right? All are separate values. So 7 into 9 into 5 will be 315. 315 is the one, right? Okay. Now what will be the numerator here? If it is 315 here, if it is 315 here, now what will be the numerator? What will be the numerator? See here, what will be the numerator here for this one? Find out the numerators for this question, right? If it has to be 5, if it has to be 5, then what shall we do now? 63 fives, 315, right? Okay, then what shall be here now? 63 sevens, am I right? So here number must be 441. 441 by 315 will lead you to 315. 7 by 5, this value you can get. Now here 315 is a numerator, you have to get this one. See, observe this, right? So this must be equal to how much? 455. 455 by 315 will lead you to 13 by 9, right? 35 9s are 35, 13s are 35, 13s are will lead you to 455. Same here, 315 will be the denominator. See here, then 45 into 12 will be to 540. See here, 540 by 315 will give you 12 by 7. Calculate this, you will get easier. Now how can observe the numerators on, as denominators are equal? Observe numerators descending order. What is the highest one? 12 by 7 is the first one, 13 by 9 is the second one, 7 by 5 is the third one, right? Next one, simplify 3.76 into 3.76 into 3.76. Observe this. What is, how is in this format? This is in the format of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now this can be written as a plus b whole cube. Now 3.76 plus 2.44 whole cube will lead you to how much? 3.76 plus 2.44 will lead you to 3.76 plus 2.44 will lead you to 6.2 whole cube. 6.2 into 6.2 will lead you to 238.328. This is the simplification, right? Next, what is the amount under compound interest at the end of 3 years on a sum of 8,000 at 5% per annum? See, we can do it by Pascal triangle method. At the end of 3 years means only 3 compounds, right? So 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1. So 3 is there here, so it has to be 3 3 3 3 1. So to make calculations, I will rub this. Now observe here, 3 into 5% per annum, 5% of 8,000. What is the amount under compound interest at the end of 3 years? Okay, right. 8, we have to find out the amount. 8,000 plus 3 into 5% of this value. 5% of this value is, what is 200? Am I right? 800 is 10%. 400 is 5%. Now next one, 1 into 5% of this value. 40 is 10%. Now 20 is 5%. Now calculate this value. 3 into 400 plus 3 into 20 plus 5% of 20 is 2. I mean 10% is 2, 5% is 1. So 1200 plus 60 plus 1, 1261. Now 8000 plus 1261 will lead you to 16292. 9261 is the total amount after compounding. Pascal triangle method, we have done this, right? What sum would amount to rupees 26620 in 3 years at 10% rate of compound interest? See here, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus rate of interest by n. Normal formula, you are given with 26620, you have to find out P. Next, 1 plus R is nothing but 10 by 100, that is equal to cube. Now this will be how much? 11 by 10 whole cube. Am I right? Now see here, cancel this. 26620 divided by 11 will be equal to 2420, and again divided by 11 and again divided by 11, that will be 20. 11 cube will get cancelled to 2620 to 20 times. Now the principal will be 20 into 1000, that will be 20,000, right? Easy calculations, easy pickings. Next, if a certain sum doubles in 3 years under simple interest, see here, let us consider the principal as P, and principal becomes double in 3 years, it seems. So interest earned is P. Am I right? The whole principal amount is earned as interest. In how many years would it become? 5 times itself. See here, 5 times itself at the same interest rate. So for 3 years, you are gaining an interest of P. So 5 times means interest must be 4p. So it in order to be 4p, then how many years? So 12 years. Easy calculations, right? No need of conventional approach, innovative approach, as we seen in our discussion classes. A person travels a distance of 7 km towards east. So he started from here. East means this, see here the directions: east, north, south, west. 7 km towards east, and then travel 7 km towards north, and then travel 7 km towards east, and then finally towards 7 km north. What is the vertical distance? It seems vertical distance means this. What is the vertical distance? 14 km. Easy pickings. See, these type of questions were being asked in GATE. A person starts from his house and travels 8 meters towards west. So he started from here and moved west 8 meters, and then he travels towards his left. Towards his left means, so let us make this calculations easy. So I'll make like this here, west, and towards his left means towards south, and then towards west means here, and then towards south here, and here 8 meters here, 6 here, 8 here, 4 here. Finally he turns right, it seems. He turns right means here 5 meters. And what is the horizontal distance traveled? It seems 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 8 is nothing but 21 meters. Sorry, this is meters. Next one. Surya travels 3 meters towards east. Surya travels 3 meters towards east, and then turns right means this direction 4 meters. What is the distance between initial and final? See here, to find out initial and final, you have to find out the hypotenuse length. It is 3 and this is 4. This is right angle triangle, and this will be hypotenuse. Root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is nothing but 5 meters. Easy pickings. At the end of a business conference, the 10 people present all shake hands with each other once. How many handshakes will be all together, it seems? See here, this is an easy question, right? How can you find out this? Handshaking questions. See here, handshakes is not, totally there are 10 persons, it seems. If there are 10 persons, so the first person gives handshakes to 9 persons, so 9 is the first one, and the next will be 8, 7, 6 up to 1. Now sum of the numbers will be equal to how much? 45. See, there are initially 10 persons, so the first person will give handshake to 9 persons, second person will give you to 8 persons, 7, 6. Now total handshakes will be 45. Normal logic question. In a cricket tournament, each of the 8 teams will play every other team exactly once. How many matches will be played during the tournament? It seems, how many matches? See here, if there are exactly 8 teams, so totally 8 teams, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, first team will play, every team will play, right? See here, 8 teams means totally 7 matches, each team plays 7 matches. Now see here, 1 versus 2 is over, the remaining match of 2 is 6. Now 1 versus 3, 2 versus 3 are over. Now remaining match of 3, 5 up to the last one, right? So total will be how many matches? 28 matches, right? Each team plays exactly 1 match, means 8 teams are there, means each team plays 7 matches. How many matches till end is the question asked. Hi friends, let us discuss some more questions regarding quantitative aptitude. Okay, now see the question. In a group of horse and hens, the number of legs are 20 more than twice the number of heads. The number of horses is the question asked. Now let us consider X as horses and Y as hens. Now totally how many legs will be there? See here, 4x plus 2y will be the leg count and x plus y will be the head count. Now what is the given thing in the question? Number of legs. 4x plus 2y is equal to 20 more than twice the number of heads. Twice the number of heads means 2 into x plus y. Now simplify this. This is nothing but 20 plus 2x plus 2y. Now this 2y and this 2y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 20. X will be how much? 10. Now number of horses is 10. We have done this similar type of questions frequently in the previous papers. Okay, now the salaries of David and John are in the ratio of 5:9. Now their salaries are in the ratio. Let us consider common factor as x. Now David's salary is 5x and John's salary is 9x, and the sum of their salaries is 35,000. So 5x plus 9x is nothing but equal to how much? 35,000. Find their individual salaries. Now 5x plus 9x is nothing but 14x. Now 35,000 divided by 14 will be how much? 35,000 divided by 14 will be equal to 2,500. 14x is equal to 35,000. Now x is equal to 2,500. Now find their individual salaries. Substitute x here. 5 into 25 will be equal to 125. So 125,000. David's salary. So 9 into 25 will be John's salary. 22,500. Right? David's and John's. We have done this type of questions, right? If A is to B is 3 is to 5. See here, A by B is equal to 3 by 5 is the given thing. Find 2A plus 4B is to 3A by 4B. Now see here, 2A plus 4B divided by 3A plus 4B. Now how can we write it in easy way? Simplification. See here, can we write like this? 2A by B plus 4, that is nothing but 2A by 4B, right? And B gets cancelled. 3A by B plus 4, sorry, this is 5 plus 5, right? Now substitute 3 by 5 here, that is nothing but 6 by 5 plus 4 divided by 9 by 5 plus 5. Now what will be the answer? Now LCM will be 5, 26, right? The upper one, divided by, this is nothing but 25 plus 9 will be equal to 34 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, and this is nothing but 13 by 17. Now 2A plus 4B is to 3A plus 5B equal to 13 is to 17. What number shall be added or subtracted from each term of ratio 7 is to 16 to make it equal to 2 by 3. Let us start with addition. If addition is not satisfied, then we'll make it as subtraction. Now add x to numerator and add x to denominator, and that must be equal to 2 by 3. Now crisscross this. 21 plus 3x is equal to 16 2s are 32 plus 2x. This is nothing but x is equal to 32 minus 21 is equal to 32 minus 21 is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11. So add 11 plus 17 is nothing but 18. 11 plus 16 is equal to 27. See here, 9 2s are 9 3s are. So if we add 11, then the fraction becomes to 2. You see the no need of subtraction, right? Next, divide rupees 4,200 into 4 parts, it seems. So let us divide these 4 parts as A, B, C, D. Now what is the given thing there? Fourth of first part, A by 4, and sixth of second part, B by 6. 8th of third part and 10th of fourth part are all equal, it seems. So C by 8 and D by 10 are all equal. Let us consider this as K. All are equal to K. Now A will be what? 4K. B will be 6K. C will be 8K and D will be 10K. Add all those this, then that must be equal to 4,200. Add all those this. So 10, 20, 28. 28K is equal to 4,200, right? Now 4,200 divided by 28 will be equal to how much? 150. K equal to 150. Now find out A. If K is 150, A is 154s are 600. Now this is 15 6 are 15 6 are how much? 900. Now C is 8K. 15 8s are 1200. Now this is 10K, that will be equal to 1500. So A, B, C, D, their shares are 600, 900, 1200 and 1500. Right. The price of a Swiss watch was 12,000 in 2001, but due to devaluation of rupee, it became rupees 15,000. What is the percentage increase in price? Percentage increase, final minus initial by initial into 100 will be your answer. Say this is a previous gate question, right? 15,000 minus 12,000 is nothing but 3,000. 3,000 by 12,000 is nothing but 1/4. 1/4 is equal to how much? 25%. We have seen percentages previously. No need to calculate. See here, 84% of particular total is 714. What is 92%? See here, 84% is equal to 714. Find out 92%. No need of 100% again in 714. Now see here, 714 divided by 84 will be 8.5. 8.5 into 92. See here, 714 divided by 84 is 8.5. Crisscross this. 714 into 92 by 84. Right? Now 8.5 into 92 will lead you to 782. Right? This is 8.5. So the value 8.5 into 92 will be 782. Calculations are very easy. Next, if the price of an item goes up by 20%, by what percentage should it be reduced to bring it down to original price? Let us consider the price as 100 and now it has gone to 120, right, as 20% increase. Now what percentage should it be reduced to bring back it to original price? See here, 120 minus 100, your initial price must be 120 because the first is 120 na. So what is this? 120 by 120 into 100 is nothing but 1/6. 1/6 is nothing but 16.6 percentage. So how much percentage it has to be reduced? 16.6 percentage, 1/6. Next, a shopkeeper bought a watch for 2000 and sold it for 200 and sold it for 250. What is the profit percentage? See, easy questions. This is 2012 gate question. See here, 250 minus 200 will be 50 profit. So it has to be calculated with cost price. Now this is nothing but 1/4. So how much profit percentage? 25 percentage. Next, by selling a table lamp at rupees 260, Soman makes a profit of 30%. Find the cost price of the table lamp. See here, 260, he sold it 260 rupees, and that must be equal to 130 percentage. See here, selling price na. Now find out the 100 percentage cost price. 13 ones are 13 twos are 0 gets cancelled. Now what is the cost price? Cost price is equal to 200. Easy question, right? Next, if two kinds of grapes costing 16 kg and 12 kg are mixed in the ratio of 2:3, then find the cost of the mixture. Weighted average, see here, 16 rupees is mixed into 2 plus 12 kg grapes as mixed with 3. Let us consider as 2x 3x, that will get cancelled now. 5. 16 twos are 32, 12 threes are 36. Right? Now 32 plus 36 will lead you to 68. 68 by 5. 68 by 5 is nothing but 13.6. So the mixture cost of grapes is 13.6 rupees. Next one, 7 kg of weight having a rate of 14 per kg is mixed with 5 kg of weight having a rate of rupees 8 rupee 50 paise. What is the average rate per kg of the mixture? The similar weighted average, 7 kgs each with 14 rupees is mixed with 4 kg each with 8 rupee 50 paise. This is also 2014 gate question, right? Total kilos are 7 plus 4 11. Now 7 into 14 is nothing but 98 plus 8.50 into 4 is nothing but 34 and divided by 11. See here, 98 is nothing but 132 by 11. Now the answer will be how much? 12 rupees. Right? 11 ones are 11 twelves are. So the mixture cost will be 12 rupees. Next one, if 20 kg of wheat costing 16 a kg is mixed with 16 kg of second variety of wheat costing 25, what is the average cost? Similar question, right? As is a practice session, we are making you strong on the questions. Okay, 20 kg of 16 rupee kg plus 16 kg of 25 rupee kg is mixed. So how many kgs are mixed? Totally 36 kilos, right? Now 20 into 16 is nothing but 320 plus 25 into 16 is nothing but 400 divided by 36, then this is nothing but 720 by 36. See here, 400 plus 720 divided by 36 is equal to 20. So your average cost is 20. If two kinds of grapes costing 16 kg and 12 kg are mixed in a ratio of 2:3, then find the cost of mixture per kg. You have to find out the cost of mixture per kg. Let us consider this as 2x and 3x, right? Weights. So 2x into 16 plus 3x into 12 divided by 5x. Now 32x plus 36x by 5x, that is nothing but 68 divided by 5 is nothing but 13.6. The average price is 13.6. How many kilograms of rice costing 16 kg per kg must be mixed with 24 kg of rice costing rupees 12 kg? So the resultant mixture cost 13 per kg. So see here, 16 rupee per kg one rice cost, and 12 per kg another rice cost is mixed to make it a mixture of 13 per kilo. Now allegations and mixture, 16 minus 3 is 3, 13 minus 12 is 1, so it has to mix in a ratio of 1:3, and we know the second one, right? This is 24, so 3 8s are 24, this will be 1 8, 8:24. So how many kilograms of this must be mixed? 8 kilograms must be mixed. A total amount of 194 was collected from boys and girls of a class of 150 students. If each boy contributes rupees 1 rupee 20 paise and each girl rupees 1 rupee 40, then find the number of boys and girls in the class. See here, let us consider boys as B and girls as G. Now total B plus G is equal to how much? 150. Now 1.20 into B plus 1.40 into G is equal to 194, right? Now how to find out B? Now see here, multiply this equation with 1.20, right? Now see here, minus minus minus, and this gets cancelled, right? 1.40 minus 1.20 will be equal to, see here, 1.4 minus 1.2 will be equal to 0.2 minus that equal to 150 into 1.20 will be equal to how much? 180. So 194 minus 194 will be equal to minus 14, and this gets cancelled. So see here, this is nothing but 0.2 G. So G will be equal to how many members? 70. If girls are 70, then boys must be how much? 80, as total is 150, right? This is the way to find out. See this question. A vessel has 300 ml of pure milk, it seems. Okay. Now 30 ml of pure milk is removed, means 270 ml of milk will be there, and 30 ml of water will be poured, so 30 ml of water, so total 300. Now what is the ratio of milk and water? Is it 9:1? Now again 30 ml mixture is removed, so in that 30 ml mixture, what will be the water, I mean milk content? Is it this 27? So the remaining milk will be 243, and 3 ml of water is removed, so 27 ml, and again 30 ml water is replenished, so total water is 57 ml, so that is 300, right? Next, from this, now 243 57, what will be the ratio here? 81:19. Am I right? Now milk and water, and again from this you have removed 30 ml mixture. Now see here, 30 ml mixture means is this, now 3 ones are 3, 24.3 milk is removed. Now see here, 243 minus 24.3, so the remaining milk will be 218.7, and water, if it is 24.3, 5.7 is removed, 557 minus 5.7 is nothing but 51.3, and again 30 ml of water is there, the 81.3, So that is 300 ml. See here, this counting will take you large time. So we have a simplified formula: P minus Q by P whole to the power of n into 100. P is nothing but mixture and Q is nothing but replenished thing. Now what will we get here? We will get the same thing, right? 300 minus 30 by 300, that is nothing but 27 by 30, and this repeated by 3 times, right? 3 times, and see here, 10s are 9s are, so 9 into 9 into 9, that will be equal to 72.9 percentage. Now the mixture of milk will be in this format: P minus Q by P whole to the power of n into 100. See here, A is 2 years older than B. A is 2 years older than B, and B who is as old as C? B is twice as old as 2C, and total ages of A plus B plus C is 27 given. Now find out B. Substitute in the place of A 2 plus B. 2 plus B plus B plus B by 2 is equal to 27. Now upon simplification, what becomes here? 2B plus 4 plus 2B plus B is equal to 54. 2B plus B, B 3B, 2B 5B is equal to 50. Now 5B is equal to 10. That will be your answer, right? Hi friends, let us discuss some more questions regarding GATE aptitude. Okay, right. See the first one. Now the ages of Samir and Anand are in the ratio of 5:4 respectively. Now upon removing a common factor, a ratio is formed. So Samir's age is 5x and Anand's age is 4x. 3 years hence, the ratio of their hence means 5x plus 3 by 4x plus 3. The ratio is 11:9. Find what is Anand's present. Crisscross this, you will get the answer. 9 5s are 45x plus 27 plus 44x plus 33. Now the answer will be x is equal to 33 minus 27 is nothing but 6. X is 6. So Anand's age is 4 into 6, that is nothing but 24, right? We have done many questions, so we are going by shortcut methods. Okay, a man is 24 years older than his son. So a man M is 24 years older than his son. So son plus 24 is equal to M. In 2 years, now plus 2 years, his age will become twice as his age is son. Yes, plus 2, this is the one. Now the present age of his son is, now M is equal to how much? 2s plus 4. Now 2s plus 2. Now substitute this value here. 2s plus 2 is equal to 24 plus s. Now s is equal to how much? 24 minus 22, that is equal to 22, right? So a son's age will be 22. Next, 10 years ago A was half of B in age. 10 years ago means, let us consider age of A is A and B. right? Now 10 years ago means A minus 10 was half of B minus 10, right? Half of B. If the ratio of the present age is 3 is now A is 3x and B is 4x, and what is the total age? It seems 3x minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2 into 4x minus 10. That is nothing but 6x minus 20 is equal to 4x minus 10. That is nothing but 2x, and 20 goes to that side. 20 minus 10 will be 10. Now x is equal to how much? 5. Now if x is 5, now A's age will be 15 and B's age will be 20. Now there, what will be the total age? Will be 35, right? Next, 10% of the population in a town is HIV positive, it seems. A new diagnostic kit for HIV detection is available. This kit identifies HIV positive individuals 95% of the time and HIV negative individuals 89% of time. A particular patient is tested using this kit and is found to be positive. The probability that the individual is actually positive is, now see here, if the total population is 100%, in that 10% are HIV positive, right, and 90% are HIV negative. A new diagnostic kit is available, it seems. This kit correctly identifies 95%. So see here, 95% is correct, it seems, and 5% is wrong, it seems. Now, and HIV negative individuals 89%. Now see, this kit identifies 89% negative correct and 11% wrong, right? Negative shows as positive. Now the find out the probability the individual is actually positive, it seems. Now how many were positive here? Now find out the positive persons, right? Now 0.1 persons are positive, and upon having test their probability is 0.95 plus, and again in negative members there are 0.9 into 0.1111. So totally these were declared positive, right? So the total count will be how much? 0.194. Now actual HIV, how many persons have actual HIV? Actual HIV, see here, 0.1 into 0.95 are the actual HIV persons. These are the persons detected by the kit as positive. Now the actual HIV is 0.095. Now the probability, total positive patients are 0.194, and in that actual positive are 0.095. This is 95. Now the answer will be 0.4896, right? Upon simplifications you will get it very easily. See here, a kit is there. If test is occurred with this kit, 95% will be positive and 5% will not be positive. And in negative also, some persons are shown positive, that persons are 11% incorrect, right? Find it out, it will be very easy. Now 4 cards are randomly selected from a pack of cards, okay, right? Then if the first 2 cards are kings, what is the probability that third card is also a king? Okay, now how many cards are over? 2 cards are over. So you have to find out the probability the third card is king. How many cards left? Only 50 cards left, and you have to pick up 1 card, And how many king cards are there? Only 4 king cards, and out of the 2 are over, only 2 left. No, out of 2, that must be C. 1 has to be king. Right, 2c1 by 50. C1 is nothing but 2 by 50. See here, A can do a work in 12 days, it seems. So in one day, A can do 1 by 12 units. As we said earlier, work done is 1 unit. Okay, so see here, for 3 days, A alone worked, and after 3 days, B joined him, and they took 3 more days to complete the work. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by B. So total work done is equal to how much? 1 unit. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So this, upon simplification, what this becomes? 1 by 12 plus 1 by B is nothing but 3 by 4, and this comes to 1 by 12. Am I right? See here, 1 by 4, that will be become 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So this will be 3 by 12, right? 3 by 12. Now 1 by B is equal to 3 by 12 minus 1 by 12 is your answer. That is 1 by 6. Now B can do 1 by 6 units of work in one day. So total B can complete the work in 6 days, right? It can complete in 6 days. Next, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed with the 10 digits 0 to 9 if no number can start with 0? See here, 4 digits have to be formed, it seems, and it cannot start with 0. So how many digits left? Only 9 digits are available here, and repetitions are not allowed. So how many digits will be available here? 0 is not available here. So out of 10, only 9 are available here, and 8 here, and 7 digits are here. Multiply this, and that will be your answer, right? 9 into 9 is 81, into 8 will be 648, into 7 will be 4536. So totally 4536, 4 digits number will be formed without repetition. See here, okay? Next, A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. So A plus B can do 1 by 12 units of work in one day. Now B plus C can do 1 by 15. A plus C can do in 1 by 20. They all work together for 6 days, and A left. In how many more days can B and C finish the work? Now add this all, that becomes to how much? 2 into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C, right? 1 by C. Now see here, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. LCM is nothing but 60. Now 5 plus 4 plus 3. Am I right? 12 5s are 60. Now see here, 3. 9 plus 3, 12 by 60. 12 by 60, 12 by 5, and 2 comes here, that comes to 1 by 10. Now A plus B plus C can do 1 by 10th units of work in one day. Am I right? Yes. Now see here, 1 by 10, and they work together for 6 days, and A left, it seems. In how many more days? In A left, X into B plus C worked. B plus C can do 1 by 15 units of work, that is equal to 1. 6 by 10 is nothing but 3 by 5. Now if 3 by 5 goes on to the right hand side, X by 15 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 5 is nothing but 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. Now what is X? 3 into 6. Now B and C takes 6 more days to work to finish the remaining work. Next, A, B, C can do a piece of work in 4, 5 and 7 days respectively. Now A's 1 day's work is 1 by 4. B's 1 day's work is 1 by 5. And C's 1 day work is 1 by 7. Now take LCM of 4, 5, 7. right? 4 into 5 20, 20 into 7 140. Am I right? So 140, if it has to be 140 in the I mean denominator, what must be the numerator? 35, right? 35 fours are 140, right? If it has to be 140 here, what must be here? 140 divided by 5 is 28. So here 28 into 5 is nothing but 140. Yes, very good. So 140 here, this must be how much? 7. It has to be 7 means 20. Now they have shared in this value as denominators are equal. This must also numerators have to be compared. Now what is A share? Total shares are 35 plus 28 plus 20 is nothing but 83, right? Am I right? 55 plus 28 is 83. Yes, out of 83 parts, A share is 35. 35 by 83 into 415 is A share. 415 divided by 83 is 5. 83 ones, 83 fives. 5 into 35 will be equal to 175. Now A's share is 175. We have done this type of questions many. Next, 3 taps A, B, C together can fill a tank. See here, A, B, C can fill a tank in 3 hours. So 1/3 tank can be filled. After 1 hour C is closed and tank is filled in 4 more hours. Find the time in which C alone. See here. Now for 1 hour A, B, C work together, right? 1 hour A, B, C work together. Now next 4 hours only A, B worked. Am I right? C is closed now. Total work is 1. Now see here, 1 by 3 when goes to right hand side becomes 2 by 3. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so A plus B is nothing but, see here, 2 by 3 into 4, that is equal to 1 by 6. Now A and B can fill a tank in 6 hours, so 1/6 the tank is filled in 1 hour. Now see substitute here 1 by 6, that is nothing but 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, that is equal to how much? 1 by 6. Now C can fill the tank in 6 hours. C alone can fill a tank in 6 hours, right? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 is 1 by 6. So C can fill 1/6 units of tank in 1 hour. So complete tank can be filled in 6 hours. Observe the calculation. I am making in a shortcut, right? 2 pipes A and B can fill a tank in 20 and 30 minutes. There is an outlet C. If all 3 are open, the tank will be filled in 24 minutes. How much time alone? See here. A can fill a tank in 1 by 20th part. B can fill 1 by 30th part in 1 minute, and there is a outlet, means negative work, 1 by C. If all the 3 were open together, then it takes 1 by 24 to fill the tank. Now see here, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 minus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 by C. Find out 1 by C. What is the LCM here? This is nothing but, see here, 2 cube into 5. This is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5. This is nothing but 2 cube into 3. Am I right? 8 3s are 1. Now the LCM will be what? 2 cube into 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 8s are 120. Right? Now this is 60 and this is 40. Now 24. 120 divided by 24 is nothing but 5 minus 5. So 100 minus 5 is 95 by 120. Sorry, 6 here, 6 4. 10 minus 5 will be 5 here. Sorry, I am really sorry. 5 by 120. Now see here, 5 by 120 means 5 2s are 5 4s are. Now C can empty a tank in 24 minutes, right? C can empty a tank in 24 minutes. 120 by 5 is nothing but 24. Am I right? Right. Pipe A can fill a tank in 12 minutes, pipe B in 18 minutes, and C can empty of all the two. See here, A can fill in 1 by 12, I mean 1/12 part can be filled, B can fill 1 by 18 part, and C can empty in 1 by 3. If all the two means plus and this is negative, then what is the tank filled here? LCM is nothing but, see here, 2 square into 3. This is nothing but 2 square, I mean sorry, this is LCM is nothing but 9 into 2, 3 square, 2 into 3 square, and this LCM is 6 square, means 2 into 2 square into 3 square. Now LCM will be how much? 2 square into 3 square, right? 2 square into 3 square is nothing but 9 4s are 36. Now 12 3s are 18 2s are minus 1. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4 by 36. 4 1s are 4 9s are. So time taken to filled 1 in 1 minute is 1 by 9. So total tank is filled in 9 minutes, right? A tank has a leak which could empty it in 8 hours. A tap is turned on which fills at a rate of 4 liters per minute, and the tank is now emptied in 12 hours. Tank is emptied in 12 hours. Find the capacity of the tank, it seems. See here, 1 by A is the part of the tank filled by first tap. Let us take it as A and B. Now another outlet B can empty it in 8 hours, it seems. So 1 by 8 part of tank is emptied. Now when they are both, the tap is turned and fills at a rate of 4 and the tank is now emptied. Now see here, emptied in 12 hours, it seems. Total time taken to empty is 12 hours. So minus. So 1 by A is nothing but 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. Now what is the LCM here? 2 cube into 3. Am I right? 2 8 3s are 24. That is nothing but 3 here. 2 1 by 24. Right? 1 by 24. So 1 by 24. A can fill a tank in 24 hours, right? 1 by 24th part of tank is filled by A. So total tank is filled in 24 hours. 24 hours into 60 minutes, right? 24 hours into 60 minutes. So 1440 minutes. So in 1 minute it can fill 4 liters. In 1440 minutes it can fill how much? 5760 liters of water. So the tank capacity is 5760. Am I right? Yes. A person leaves his house and traveling at 4 kmph reaches his office 10 minutes. Let us consider his correct time as x. Okay. Now, if he travels at 4 kmph, he is 10 minutes late, means x plus 10. If he travels at 7, he is 20 minutes early, means x minus 20. Now upon what we get here, 3x is equal to 180, x is equal to 60. So correct time is 1 hour. Now if he travels with 7 kmph, he is 20 minutes early, means 40 by 60 means 40 by 60 means nothing but 2 by 3. Now distance is equal to speed, 7 into 2 by 3 is nothing but 14 by 3, that is equal to 4.6 km. So distance from house to office is 4.6 kilometers. Now see here, let us consider the time as x, correct time as x. Now if he travels with 4 km, he is 15 minutes late. X plus 15, right? Now if he increases the speed by 2, now he is 6, he travels by correct time reaches by x. Now 2x is equal to 15, x is equal to 7.5 minutes. 7.5 minutes is nothing but 0.125 hour. Now find the distance. Distance is equal to speed in time. Speed is 6 into 0.125 is nothing but equal to 0.75 km, right? So distance between his house and workplace is 0.75 km. Find the length of the bridge which a train 120 meter long traveling at 50 kmph can across in 30 seconds. So length of the bridge, so travel, so we have to consider the length of the bridge as x. Train length is 120 meters, so 54 into 5 by 18, so 15 meters per second. This is nothing but 15 meters per second. Now x plus 120 by 15, time taken is 30. Now 30 into 15 is nothing but 450. Now x plus 120 is equal to 450. Now x is how much? 450 minus 120, that is nothing but 330. Now the platform length is how much? 330. Next, how long will a train 100 meter long and traveling at a speed of 45 kmph take to cross a platform of length 150? So this is a platform of 150 length and train of 100 meter, and it is traveling at 45 kmph. So 45 into 5 by 18, that is nothing but 45 into 5 is 225 divided by 18 is nothing but 12.5 meters per second. Now the total length has to be covered, 250 distance by speed is time, 12.5 will give you the time, right? 250 divided by 12.5 is nothing but 20 seconds, right? So it takes 20 seconds to cover, right, to cover the platform, to overcross the platform. A container originally contains 10 liters. If 1 liter is removed, we have seen this p minus q by p whole to the power of n. We have seen similar question in previous mixed bag. Okay, now 10 liters, remove 1 liter, now the remaining is 10. So that is nothing but 9 by 10, right? Am I right? 9 into 9, as it is 3 times, we have out 3 times, right? 9 into 9, that is 729. 729 by 1000 into 100 will be equal to how much? 72.9, right? So how much spirit is now left? 7.29 liters of left, right? See, n is 3 times mixture.